Butter pecan ice cream with no ice cream maker that comes together in less than 10 minutes. Let's do it. First things first, we're going to melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in our frying pan. I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of chopped pecans. You want to cook this over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until your pecans start to toast and smell nutty, if that makes sense. Let's add in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix that together and allow it to cook for 1 more minute. Remember to cook this over medium heat. Brown butter is good, burnt butter is not. Be careful. Pour your mixture onto a parchment lined baking sheet and spread out and allow your pecans to cool. I snacked on a few of these. They are so good. Next thing we're going to do is get a separate bowl and pour in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. To that, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And my secret ingredient, 1 teaspoon of butter extract. I'll be sure to link this in the comments or the description. Put all of this in your bowl and give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Once your mixture is combined, it'll look something like this. Next thing we're going to do is grab our heavy cream. We're going to pour 2 cups of heavy cream in our mixing bowl. And we're going to whip our heavy cream for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and stiff. You want stiff peaks. Do not over mix your whipped cream. You will have butter. If you don't have a stand mixer, a hand mixer will work. After about 2 or 3 minutes, we have our stiff peaks. They look just like this. We're going to remove our whipped cream from the mixer and pour in our sweetened condensed milk. After our sweetened condensed milk is in the bowl, we're going to add in those candied pecans. Look how good they look. And of course, after I poured them in, I did save a little bit for myself because I wanted to snack on them a little bit more. They're so good. Those are mine. So let's gently fold all of this together until it's well combined. Super simple. And once everything is combined nice and gentle, it'll look like this. A delicious mixture, and it smells good already. Of course, I'm going to grab my ice cream container. If you don't have an ice cream container, you can also use a loaf pan. I just love these ice cream containers, and I'll be sure to link these in the description or the comments as well. Now load your ice cream into your ice cream container just like I'm doing here, and this will just about fill it up. Once everything is in your ice cream container, I'm just going to even out the top. Now, I can imagine this with a drizzle of caramel, but we'll save that for another video. So this is smelling good. It's looking good. You're going to smooth everything out. I'm going to grab the lid and just put the lid right onto my ice cream container. I'm going to pop this container in the freezer for about 4 hours because I want some while it's still soft. But you can freeze it 8 hours overnight and then just take it out, let it sit out when you're ready to scoop some. So our ice cream is in our container. It's looking good. And after about 4 hours, I pulled mine out. I wanted it to still be a little bit soft. I'm going to grab my ice cream scooper. Y'all, look at our butter pecan ice cream. How easy is this? Let's go ahead and scoop ourselves some. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I cannot wait. I got a little ice cream cone. Give myself a double scoop. And it's time to enjoy. Hopefully you all give it a try. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.